In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Acuity into a Squarespace website. Start by opening your Squarespace site in the editor view. When you're on the page where you want the scheduler to appear, click Edit so you can make changes on the canvas. Next, add a new section to the page. Choose Add Section, then pick Add Blank. A blank section keeps things clean and gives you full control over layout and spacing. Inside that new section, add content by selecting Add Block. In the Block search field, type Highlight. This helps surface the right options in the block menu. From the results, choose Scheduling. This is Squarespace's native block for embedding Acuity. You'll now see a prompt to connect. Click Connect to Acuity Scheduling. If you're not connected yet, click the message that says you can start an Acuity trial or connect an existing account. If you see that prompt more than once, just click through again to confirm the connection and authorize access. Once connected, the scheduling block will load your Acuity options. Click the block to highlight it so you can adjust how your scheduling shows on the page. By default, you can display all public appointment types, which is great if you want visitors to see everything you offer in one view. If you prefer to narrow it down, select Appointment Types. Click Appointment Types again if needed to open the selector, then choose the specific services you want to surface. This is a helpful way to tailor a page to a particular audience or campaign. You can also display by calendars. Click Calendars, and click again to choose which team member or resource calendar to show. This is ideal if you have multiple calendars and want to feature just one. If you'd rather send visitors to a specific Acuity page, use Custom Link. Click Custom Link, and click again to paste the direct booking URL for the flow you want. And remember, you can always switch back to all public appointment types if you want the full catalog visible again. If you need to adjust availability, buffers, intake forms, or other scheduling rules, use the Manage Appointments in Acuity option right from this interface. That will take you to Acuity's settings, where you control the booking experience your visitors will see. When you're happy with the layout and what's being displayed, click Save in Squarespace. Give the page a quick refresh and test a booking to confirm times, time zones, and forms look correct. That's it. You've embedded Acuity in your Squarespace site using the scheduling block, connected your account,